How's everybody doing? And thanks for tuning into Wicked Warnings, your number one source for construction and emergency safety strobe lighting equipment for vans, buses, bicycles, tricycles, and sweet 2024, 2025 F-150. Just like this. This is a four-corner package. Very basic, very simple package for your F-150. We're going to go into a little bit of detail at the end of the video, but what you're looking at right here is two front lights that are mounted on the grill by drilling through the front of the grill. We come around the back of the truck and we have our plug-and-play exclusive Wicked Warnings auto flasher on the rear reverse lights. Now those factory LED reverse lights are white. You cannot change the color, but you do not lose any factory function. So you're able to have your strobe when you want it and have your regular reverse when you're not strobing. This is ran off of a single 3/4 rocker switch. We're going to include all of the parts in this build. Here's your switch. You're also going to get a fuse kit for the battery. We're going to get, in the front here, your two mpower lights in amber only. We're also going to get 22-5 to extend those mpower lights through the firewall to the switch. We're also going to get 16-2 and a fuse kit to pull power from the battery, which is right over here, over to that switch. So everything you need is going to be included in this simple four-corner kit for 2024 F-150. Very easy to mount, very easy to install.